Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Shum Tabrez, your local SEO consultant. Today I'm gonna show you a very basic and important SEO extension that really helps your SEO work. So let me show you first. The name of the SEO extension is called Detailed SEO Extension. What you have to write down in Google, just Detailed SEO Extension, then you can see this page will come down, Chrome Web Store. If you click through this link, you will go to this page, and in the right hand side you can see a green button is saying add to Chrome. Just click on that add to Chrome button. Within a few seconds it will show you add detailed SEO extension, add extension. Click on this pop-up section. Now you can see in your left hand side corner is already downloading. Once it download, it will show up over here. This extension is very much helpful and very unique. So I'm gonna give you a proper example of this extension, how you can use it after adding this extension. So yes, all set. This extension is here. So what we have to do, we will click on this you see the extension tab over on the top of your right hand side. Just click over there. All you have to do, you need to pin up this extension so that it can easily shown on your this bar. See, this is the symbol of their name, Detailed SEO Extension. Let's move on to the page where we're gonna give you some example. Let me open one website. Is the website name is breadcokitchen.com. so the where I am here, this is a website. What we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the details SEO extension. Let me go to the home page first. So this is the website home page. Everything is here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the details SEO extension, and it will give us the magic. See, first things first, they give us the overview. In overview, we will find out the title, what title they use, what description they use for this page, that's URL, there's canonical things, and if we come down little bit down, it will show us the robot text, X robot text, any keyword, any word counts, publisher, length. In this page, particular page, they have 1380 word in total. Everything in this page have one h1 tag. They use h8 h2 tag, and they never use any h3 h4 h5 h6 text. They got 58 images and got link 140 links. You can see the things over here. And I'm gonna come down later on the what is meaning in this robot text and sitemap, but later on. Before that, let me go on, jump on another pages. Is saying the headings. All the headings they got in this particular page is in here. You can copy all the heading by just simply clicking on this copy. Is copied, and you can anytime paste in here and all the heading. Actually, this type of heading will extremely help you whenever you want to create some blog post. Okay, alright, then move on to the links. Don't save now. And links, you can roughly get number of link, how many internal link they got, and how many external link. Over here you can go through all the links over here, and you can also find out which anchor getting the link, which site getting the link. Then you can analyze all of them. That's not a big deal. And the most important thing I love the images things. Look, they got saying this site have 58 image without alter tag, they got 10 image, and without title have got 58. Yep. So this is the thing you need to get rid of. You need to give alter tag in 10 image, and need to give proper title on all of the images if you like to do the schema. In that schema you can find out how many things they have write down in the schema. So schema is different things. So that's good. They have everything, whatever they're doing, they input everything in that schema. I'm gonna make another separate video for schema, but later on, not now. In social, that's just the open graph. When you like to share this particular page or whatever in this page or any other blog content in your social, Facebook or in Twitter, you can always set up which image will go first. So this is what the social things actually work. Alright, and now let's come back to the overview session. Here I'm going to show you the robot.txt files work. If we go to the things, what we're gonna see, this company already has set up the robot.txt file, and they allow the Polar, JS, CSS, and they also disallow for this type of things in the robot.txt file. That means they all this particular website doing proper SEO optimization in regular basis. So not only these things you can easily learn from this details extension, but also you can learn another things. Let me clear it up. The next things is the sitemap one. If you scroll down here, you can find out the sitemaps bar. If you click through here, you can see this in the sitemap they have the page sitemaps, and some glossary sitemaps, glossary cat sitemap, or limbs sitemaps. So many sitemaps, post sitemap. Actually in local SEO, we main important things for sitemap is the post sitemap and page sitemap. If you don't desire to keep those sitemaps, you can remove them. Obviously, let me introduce first. This sitemap is generated by Yoast SEO plugins. You know, whoever don't know what is Yoast is a plugin. If they use WordPress site, in WordPress, business must need to use the plugins for the SEO work and more things. So this is the easiest way how we can know what actually going on in a business quickly. This details SEO extension help us to do so. So this is it for today. Hope you guys enjoy today's class. See you soon. Bye bye. This is Shum Tabrez.